In this training, we'll walk through the complete ViPeople setup lifecycle on Windows. You'll see how to install ViPeople, repair an existing installation, uninstall the application while keeping its data and configuration, and reinstall it using the same setup executable. Chapter 1. Install ViPeople. Start from the official ViPeople releases page on GitHub. The release address is shown at the top of the browser. In the Assets section, locate the ViPeople setup executable and download it. When the download finishes, open the downloaded file. If Windows asks for permission, choose Yes. Setup prepares the Windows components required by ViPeople and then begins the installation. If Windows requires a restart, choose Restart Now. After Windows starts again, setup continues automatically, so you do not need to launch the installer a second time. When setup finishes, open ViPeople in the browser and confirm that the application is available. Chapter 2. Repair ViPeople. To repair the existing installation, run the same ViPeople setup executable again. Setup detects the installed version and displays the available lifecycle actions. Choose Repair, then wait for the repair to complete. Return to ViPeople and confirm that the application is running normally. Chapter 3. Uninstall ViPeople. Before uninstalling, confirm that ViPeople is currently available. Run the same setup executable again and choose Uninstall. Keep My ViPeople data and configuration selected, then choose Continue. When the uninstall completes, return to the browser and refresh ViPeople. The application is no longer available. Chapter 4. Reinstall ViPeople. Run the same setup executable once more and approve the Windows confirmation if prompted. Setup uses the preserved installation state and reinstalls the application. When setup finishes, return to the browser and refresh ViPeople. The application is available again and the existing state is still present. You've now completed the full ViPeople setup lifecycle: install, repair, uninstall while preserving data and configuration, and reinstall. Each operation uses the same controlled ViPeople setup executable